there's a majority of planet in the fifth house of your chart, especially on the first half of May 2011. So this means that there was going to be a lot of excitement with social development, with children matters, with creative thinking, with speculative interests, and there will be a lot of challenges to challenge you to move forward with the future of these developments. You could be hearing good news concerning a childbirth or a younger member coming into an auspicious occasion like engagement, marriage, owning a property, getting promoted. So there are this beautiful happening on the first half of May. But on the second half of May, half of this important influencing planet is moving in the sixth house. So it calls for caution, especially when you're working with someone over projects, health condition, and there will be a lot of troublesome people who will be testing your patience and abilities. It is also a time to which you should try to spend more important time for important work rather than taking on too much, as it can weigh you down. So just work with your capabilities and with very cautious resources. Don't overdo it, as it could lead to major complications. During these dates, social life activities, children affairs, and happiness are there for you. It is a good time for meeting new people or coming into contact with new, exciting, challenging relationships. These dates are bad. They're going to lead to a lot of letdown, loss of temper, and you feel kind of overstressed working with the people you have to work with who have different agendas and just totally not cooperative. During these days, you will do fine in partnership matters, joint ventures, and some others will come onto the scene to make your day. So this is a good period for joint purposes and union. During these days, good for changes, changing circumstances, dealing with private issues, loans, credit, banking, and taxation matters. These are the dates fantastic for travel, overseas matters, learning, upgrading, and all forms of improvements. These dates are good for your job, career matters, and you'll find that you'll be helped, supported, and there will be some recognition to your purposes. Good for business dealings and issues. These are not good dates at all, as they lead to group complication. You find that your friends are avoiding you or having different agendas or not inviting you or acting strange. But don't take it badly, it's just the period of the time. So you don't want to push the issue and make assumptions that could only lead to more complications. During these days, it is more like a clearing period. So what is to be will be, what is not will move on. It's a recycling of the circumstances around you. So it is best to retreat, take it easy, and don't go into the jumble of things. There are too many complications around, and even people who tell you something but do something else. These are good dates for personal challenges, interests, and activities. So if you plan to move in a certain direction that you more or less have think about it, go for it. And this is a time when personally people will start to admire and appreciate you. These days financially, you will be having a downtime, a complicating period. There will be more spending than there is saving, and you could overdo it. So you have to be tailoring to your needs, especially your resources. And during this stage, travel, going places, either upcountry, upstate, very interesting. Good for ideas, good for communication, and good for interviews and meetings. So you want to try to schedule them at these dates. While these dates are troublesome in the family situation, you find different mood, temperament, and all kind of provocation. So you need to be a bit cautious when dealing with family and sensitive issues, especially in home affairs. These dates are good for social life, love life, going for party, and having an entertaining period with your friends and loved ones, and good for working with children and children activities. These days are not good days at all, so your health may be a little low, your moods, your temperament, your situation are a little bit haphazard during this period, and people could just come to niggle and annoy you. My name is Roy Rugby from the Royal Astrologers. Cheers.